Well, certainly an extensive haulage sort of thing, but we'll see. Someone dug something out there, I don't know. Oh, tadpoles is always a good sign of frogs. So I'm glad I came, but yeah. Oh, more tadpoles. We still don't see peas. You think you'd see something? Maybe this is a eutric site and they're just not flowering or something. But I thought I would have found some pygmies. Oh yeah. Look at the tadpoles go there, fellas. Yeah, maybe the taddies eat the jemmy or something. Maybe that's what it is. Well, that's an interesting looking one. Okay. No, oh hang on, what's that? Yeah, pygmy. Just the standard one. Just the standard one, fellas. I just got a spot cone. That's just the standard pulchella there and there. A few different type of trigger plant there. Oh yeah, some more in there. Yeah, I'm bending over. I've got boots, heavy boots on, and it's slippery, so you know, cut me a bit of the slack, fellas. I'll do the same for you. If you ever go out Saraceni hunting in you, well, we know that could be a new eutric or something. Everyone thinks it's something else. Yeah, just going carefully, fellas. Gingerly. Don't call gingerly. Oh well, I do like the water though. No. Always look out for that aquatic fly trap. Everyone just walks past. Oh, here we go. More, is that Modesta in the water again?